Hello student, this is our third chapter, motion of the earth. So in this chapter we found our earth has two type of movement. So one is rotation, another one is revolution. Okay, these two types of movement we found in our earth. The earth is tilted on its axis. Now what is axis? Axis is an imaginary line around which our earth spins. This pink color shows that north and south pole simply is our axis. Okay, the earth axis is tilted or inclined. Now what is the angle of the inclination? If we draw a vertical line, we found earth inclined at 23.5 degree. But if we talk about the inclination of the earth on orbital plane of our earth, then it is 66.5 degree. It is because of this tilted axis of the earth that days and night are of varying length in different parts of the earth. 4 seasons are also called due to the inclination of the earth. This tilting of the earth on its axis is known as inclination of the earth. Okay. So we can simply now say that our earth is inclined at a 66.5 degree on its orbital plane. But if we draw a vertical line, then we found 23.5 degree. Okay. This is an important topic from this chapter. Now we talk about two movements of our earth. So first of all we talk about rotation. Rotation is the movement of the earth on its own axis. Due to this rotation, we found day and night on our earth. How wonderful our earth is. The earth receives light from the sun. Due to the spherical shape of the earth, only half of it get light, okay, from the sun, only at a time. The portion facing the sun experiences day. On the other hand, the other half away from the sun experiences night. So this is only due to the movement of rotation. Now we talk about circle of illumination. Now this red line which I mark here, the circle that divide the day from night on the globe is called circle of illumination. So this is simply we can say this one is circle of illumination. Now next we talk about revolution. The movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed path or orbit is called revolution. Due to revolution, we found different seasons in our earth. Season change due to the change in the position of the earth around the sun. We found mainly 4 types of season in our earth. So first of all we talk about winter. Winter is the coldest seasons of the year. Now we talk about spring. Spring, this season is described as succeeding winter and preceding summer. Now we talk about summer. Summer is the hottest of the 4 temperate season. Okay. Lastly we talk about autumn. Autumn marks the transition from summer to winter. Now that's all for today. Thank you.